Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another glute focused video for you. Now this routine is made up entirely of bridge variations lying on your back, so it's perfect for anyone who has knee pain when you kneel or any hip pain when you lie on your side. So let's get started on our mat, lying down with your knees bent, feet close to your glutes, hip distance. Hands by your side, open through your chest, palms down. Take a breath in, and on your exhale, tuck pubic bone to belly button. Roll your hips up all the way to a bridge position. Inhale, roll down. Exhale, lift one vertebra at a time. Inhale, lower down. 8 more, lifting up. Roll your hips back down, warming up the spine here. Curling your hips up into your bridge and rolling them back down. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. Making sure that as you lift into your bridge, you're keeping your lower ribs down towards your pelvis, so not flaring the rib cage here. Last 2, rolling up, rolling down, rolling up. Hold here. We're going to come into some standard bridges, so taking out that curling element. Lower the hips straight down to the floor and lift. Lower, lift, lower, lift. 7 more. Lower, lift, lower, lift. 4, 3, really squeeze the glutes at the top here. Last one. Keep your hips up here if you can. Have a break whenever you need to. See if you can come onto your toes, so lifting the heels up. If this is too difficult, keep the heels down. Lower your hips halfway and then lift back up. Lower halfway, lift up, coming into some pulses here. Lower, lift, lower. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Keep your hips high. Again, trying to complete the series without a rest. Lower your hips down. Lift. Open your knees wide. Close. Lower your hips. Lift. Open your knees. Close your knees. Lower your hips. Exhale, lift your hips. Open your knees. Inhale, close the knees. Lower the hips. Lift up. Open the knees, close the knees, lower the hips, up, open, close, lower, up, open, close, lower. Exhale, lift, open the knees. Inhale, close the knees, lower the hips, lift, open, close, lower. 2 more, lift, open, close, lower. Last one, lift, open, close. Stay here. We're going to come into just some leg open and close. Open your legs and close. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Open, close, lower the hips down. Hug your knees in towards your chest. Getting a little stretch in your low back here. Bring your feet back to the floor. Make sure you still haven't lost that width through your chest, so rotate your arm bones out. Now bring your feet together. So knees are touching, feet are touching. We're going to lift straight up into narrow bridges. Lift your hips up, lower down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 8 more. Lift, lower. Lift, lower. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep your hips high. Option to come up onto your toes, again lifting your heels. Keeping the thighs parallel, straighten your right knee and lower. Straighten your left knee, bend. Right leg straightens, right leg bends, left leg straightens, Left leg bends. 3 more on each side. Right, left, right, left. Last one. Right. 1 more on the left. Now straighten your right leg again. Hold that right leg straight. Lower your hips about halfway and then lift up. Lower, lift, lower. Lift. Some more pulses here for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bending that right knee, right foot back to the floor, and repeating on the left side. Left leg straightens. Hold it here. Lower the hips halfway. Lift up, lower, lift, lower. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the hips high, glutes engaged. Lower the left foot to the floor. Lower the hips back down. Bring your knees into your chest again. Giving a little stretch for your low back and your glutes. And then place your feet back onto the mat. Bring your feet as wide as your mat here. Take a breath in, and on your exhale, squeeze your glutes, lift your hips straight up. Lower and lift. So coming into some wide bridges here. Lift, lower. 7 more. Lift, lower. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the hips up high. We're going to come into some hip sways. So squeeze your right glute and then relax it. Squeeze the left glute, relax. Right glute squeezes, let's go. Left glute squeeze, let go. Right, left, right, left, right, left. We've got 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your hips up here. And then we'll come into some pulses. Lowering halfway, lift up. Lower halfway, lift up. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the hips high and lower all the way down. Bring your right knee in towards your chest, left leg long. Bring the right knee over to your left side, twisting through your spine, getting a stretch in your glute. Letting your body relax in this position. Now coming back to center, reach your right leg long, bring your left leg in towards your chest. Left leg comes over to your right side. Bit of a spine twist here. Taking one last breath in. Coming back to center. Go ahead and push yourself up into a comfortable seated position. Take a breath in here, reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, arms come down. Thanks so much for joining today. Hope you enjoyed this little glute burner, and I'll see you in the next video.